Okie dokie. In this video, I'm talking about a very sort of specific subject, which is recording anchor tag link clicks in Fathom Analytics. So if you follow me on social media or you follow my blog, you know I'm a massive fan of Fathom Analytics. It's a privacy-focused analytics provider, and for couple of hours yesterday, I was trying to work out how to record link clicks in my MDX. So MDX is Markdown in MDX, sorry, Markdown in JSX, so Markdown in your React, and did it with the MDXProvider. Which means you can override your page elements. So I'm sort of capturing the A tag and doing a bit of work with it before it's sort of rendered. Done this, right, let's just go on a quick tangent here because I did this previously, which is again with MDX. It's for a project called Characters from Password. It's a C from P.xyz, and I did it in here with I sort of passed the Fathom goal ID basically as a prop with the href, and then I captured that in the A tag up here, and then just did a long click, passed the goal ID into my Fathom Analytics provider. I've done a video on this in the past about tracking global events with Fathom Analytics. I'll link that video. So basically we have a context for event tracking, and this will just track anywhere you wrap it with like a click event or any event, but for this it's a long click, and I'm passing in the goal ID to Fathom Analytics to just record a link click on the on these links here. So I wanted to do that with my portfolio. And I have a lot of pros, or a lot of sort of Markdown with, let's find something with a link in it. Sorry for the scrolling. So here we go. So I want to make a schedule. So this, if I wanted to wrap up when someone clicked this with like a goal ID, I'd have to put, like I've done in the previous project, like an anchor tag HTML in my Markdown, and I think that would break up flow of this to read for me when I'm sort of editing it, and it wouldn't look nice. So I wanted to work out a way to just do this in the Markdown way. So I was trying to say, well, can we just like add like a parameter to the end here and put something in here? And then I worked out I could just use a query, a sort of URL query. So I'll just put this as goal ID, and then I'm using the platform, which is MDN URL. Let's go find that. Is not that one. URL API, and then in here you can put in your search terms to pull out your query. So I've done that in some password in here. Look at the anchor tag here, and so I go back to the MDX here. Just got a question mark and goal ID, and then that's the tracking ID for when someone clicks on my CV link. So in my anchor tag. So this uses this sort of in Gatsby, you have a root wrapper, and then in this root wrapper, this is where we're overriding all of the page components. So I've got anchor tag, header elements, list items, paragraphs, and they're all being overridden here with this component and wrapped into the rest of my my projects at the root level. So this is overriding all of these page elements here, and that's how I can, with my anchor tag, see if the href in the props here contains a goal ID. Then if it does, I'm going to use an effect to pull out the actual goal ID, set the goal ID with state, and then because I didn't want to have this whole link in someone's URL bar, I just wanted to have it as the clean sort of what it is here, link. I'm stripping it out with this search params delete goal ID, and then just setting the new ref to the sort of stripped out tag, and then we're passing it back into the passing it back into the component here. So just doing a quick check to say if it's got a goal ID, then we use the new ref. Otherwise, use the props spread into it. Cool. So a quick look at that. So this is my sort of FAQ form, and using the analytics context is here it is, Fathom Analytics event tracking, and then this will log out if we are not in the browser. So if it's not on, not on the server, it's just going to log out the link. If someone clicks on this, get this down, see that we get that link, and it'll open up a new window. It's because I'm holding it in control actually, but if we do it for like JSON schema here or raw data here, it doesn't sort of track that. So there you go. I've got my sort of nice clean markdown in my project, which I like, and I was using the platform rather than making something contrived just to do one specific thing. Also good. So there you have it. I'll put in the links for our, for this API. You get much out of it. There's a couple of Stack Overflow questions I went through on how to pull out the query value. Those are quite helpful. And also I'll add my sort of my Fathom affiliate link. If you're interested in trying out Fathom, you get $10 off of your first month subscription. So feel free to click that and try it out as well. And also add in relevant videos for getting set up with Fathom too. But yeah, I've got nice markup now. Just don't have to sort of clutter with anchor tags when I want to pass in a tracking ID somewhere. And I thought I'd just share it with you. So there you go. If you like the video, please remember to like the video. If you love it, subscribe. Otherwise, sorry I wasted your time. No, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks, bye bye.